And I was like, yo.
Is this tilted? I'm pretty sure it's tilted, but I don't really care. Whoa, why do I sound like a whale? Hi guys, what's up? I'm kristayye, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas 2018 haul slash video. And I'm super grateful for everything I get, and I literally love it so much. And my parents didn't get me anything for Christmas, and I'm totally fine with that. Like, I'm happy if I don't have presents or not, but this year a lot of you guys requested for me to make one, so that's why I wanted to make one, because I feel like a bad YouTuber and I didn't make a video. So I'm filming like the day after Christmas because I'm slow and I can't catch up with YouTubers that upload on Christmas. Like, I can't. So the first thing that I got is from one of my good friends, Michelle. I love her, she's so cute, and she got me Kit Kats, but I ate them all. All my friends' gifts we got on the 21st, so I technically got them a week ago, so I kind of have an excuse because like I'm filming this after Christmas and I got this stuff a week ago, so I technically ate everything. We're not gonna talk about that, so please don't roast me in the comments. You also got me these really freaking cute like socks. These are what they look like. They're like Forever 21 socks, and I love socks so much. Like, all I want for Christmas is like 50 socks. That would be amazing. So, but these are what they look like. They're just like one pair, and they're so cute. They are a little bear with a scarf, and it's like blushing, and there's a hair on it. That's probably my hair. So cute. It's like navy, and I love socks so much, and I can't wait to wear it. I have so many, and I love this one. It's super cute and it's amazing. So yeah. Then she also got me, oops, it's tangled. Oh no, it's tangled. Oops, it's really tangled. Oh, I got it out. Okay, so she also gave me this really cute necklace from Forever 21. It's like this gold, I'm not a YouTuber, but like this gold like dainty necklace, and it has a little rose on it, and it's so cute. If like, I can't really rock necklaces, but I try to, and this is so cute, and I feel like I would wear it a lot. And I just love necklaces, like dainty ones, and it got stuck in my hair. She got me like a squishy, like it's a macaron squishy, and it smells like macarons or macarons, I don't freaking know, and it's so nice. Like, it's really satisfying, and I kind of want to eat it. I forgot to mention, but Michelle also got me this Freeman water gel mask, and that's what it looks like. And it's like a peel off, no, it's like a water gel mask, and I'm super excited to use it. So thank you, Michelle. So thank you, love you, Michelle. It's actually so cute. I love every single bag. I'm actually keeping these. Next thing I got was from one of my friends, Naomi, and I love her so much. She's so cute. Got me, I think this is one of my favorite things that I got, honestly, just because I love blankets. And she got me this really soft teal like blue blanket, and it's so fluffy, and I literally have been using it every day since I got it, which has been like 5 days. So the past 5 days I've been literally using this to bed, and it's actually helped me sleep a lot. Like, that sounds so like, I sound like a freaking 5-year-old, but I love this, and it's like my baby blanket, and I love it. It's so soft, and I love blankets. It made me so happy. Like, I fall asleep so much easier in this, and it's just so freaking nice and soft and big, and it's perfect, and I love you so much. Like, this is perfect, so thank you. The next thing that I got was from one of my best friends, Faith. Okay, so she got me this. First of all, this bag is really cute. Also, this bag is really cute too. But anyways, she got me, and it's so cute, by the way. I love the bag. And first she got me this this kind of like, I already know that she got me this, but it's like the Santa's Workshop book. Just kidding, I love it, but like, it's a little book, and she told me she was getting this for me, so thank you. I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas fanatic. Even though Christmas is over, I'm probably gonna read this every night. Like, it's so cute. Santa checks his list once more to make sure that it is right, and then you can see like the trees, and then they'll pack the sleigh and be on their way this snowy Christmas night. And look, the little reindeer, it's so cute. Okay, sorry. Then she got me a bunch of face masks. I love these face masks. So she got me 3. She got me a Qbella pore minimizing T-zone or facial mud mask thingy, and I love like mini like masks, but this is really cute, so thank you. And then she also got me a Qbella professional repairing charcoal mud mask, and this one looks really nice. And then she also got me this slice mask sheet, and it's like these little watermelons, and you put them like on your cheeks, and I'm so excited for this. This is like so cool. She got me, I think this is also one of my favorite things that I got, but she got me the Smashbox Photo-Finish Kit, basically. So it has 3 primers, and I love primers. I think they're one of my favorite makeup products. Like, they don't do anything to my face, but I just love them because they're so satisfying to put on. I'm talking really fast. I need to like slow down. Smashbox one, I saw this at Ulta and I wanted to get it, but I'm kind of broke, so I didn't get it, but she got it for me and I love it so much, so thank you so much. Sorry if the setup changed. My SD card ran out of storage, so I had to like delete stuff, but I'm back. Okay, so as I was saying, it comes with 3 primer mini trio things, and comes with the Smashbox Photo-Finish moisturizer in one, and this is what it looks like in my beauty guru now. I don't really know, but like this is what all the beauty gurus have, so I kind of feel like a beauty guru now, but this is what it looks like, and I'm so excited to use this. I love moisturizers and I love primers. It's like a little pump, and I'm so excited to use that. And then I already used this, but it's Smashbox Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. And then she got me the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, another one. Obviously, I don't know why I'm saying the same thing, but it's literally just a primer, blur and smooth one. Thank you, Faith. And she got me candies, so thank you, I love you the most. Then Bea, I love you the most. She got me this Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Frosted, and I actually wanted like a perfume for Christmas, so she got me this one, and she literally smells like this all the time. She smells so good all the time, and I was like, you smell so good, and she got me the same one she wears, and I love it so much. I wear it like all the time, and it smells so good. It smells like frosted sugary vanilla mixed with like cookies, and it just smells so good. I love it so much, and the packaging is A1. And she also got me a necklace, but I used it and I opened it, and it's kind of, oh, it's right here. She got me a necklace. Thank you, I love you, Bea. Vanilla lavender, it's a Hugo natural lavender and vanilla, that's what I meant to say, and it's so pretty. I love bath bombs, and this one is so nice. So the next thing is this letterboard. My cousin got me this, and I don't know if I should say their name or not because I feel bad if I say their names. This really cute letterboard thing. So this is what, that's the wrapping paper that I opened, but can we talk about the box? It says Felt Like Sharing. It's the brand, and if you don't know what this is like what you see everywhere, like just a letterboard, like those Pinterest ones, and it's like wood and it's gray, and you could basically just put whatever you want. I put obviously 'Tis the Season because I'm Christy and I love Christmas. It comes with like a little pouch, and I already used this, so I put in all the little letters that you could put, and you can customize all the letters and stuff. This is not sponsored, it sounds like it's sponsored, but like you could choose all the letters and stuff, and I think it's amazing. So I love you the most. Thank you so much. I love this so much. Next thing that I got is from one of my friends, Alexis. She's super sweet. I love her. She's in some of my classes, and I love her so much. She's so cute, and like I love her so much. She's so sweet. Wow, this bag is adorable. It has little snowflakes on it. This really cute penguin thing, and it's like a little chain. I know you're like, Chrissy, you're literally 9 years old. What are you doing? But it's so cute. Like, can we talk about a little penguin? I don't really know. It's really cute, okay? Like, don't judge me. I kind of forgot how old I was, but it's fine. Fluff and stuff, I think. It's a little fluff and stuff, and I think this is so cute. Like, I love penguins. This reminds me of like the Backyardigans, Pablo the penguin. I used to have a beanie thingy, a Beanie Boo or something, and it had big eyes, and I named him Pablo because I love the Backyardigans. She also got me this really nice bath bomb. It smells so freaking good. I think she got this. Looks really expensive. I feel like she got this from like freaking Whole Foods, and it looks expensive, and Whole Foods stuff is expensive. So I love you. Oh shoot, did I break it? No, okay. And then got me fluffy socks, which I'm wearing. They have little llamas on them, and I love them. So thank you. Love you the most. Andrea got me a bunch of candy, which I ate already. So thank you. I love you. My friend Alicia, she's so sweet. I love her. And she got me a little photo frame of me and her. I'm not going to show this because I look really bad in it, and I don't know if she wants to be shown. So love you the most. You're so cute. And she got me that. So I think that's really cute. Then my friend Allison, I love you so much. She got me, okay, this bag is so cute, by the way. It's like red. It's like Gindam. I don't really know. But she got me a bunch of Korean food because we're both Korean and we always talk about like stuff like that. So she got me this choco pie little like box of choco pie. And then she got me 2 Pepero Sticks. If you don't know what these are literally just like Pocky, but the Korean version. So she got me the original and cookies and cream. I think it doesn't say, it says white chocolate, but that's obviously cookies and cream. So thank you so much, Allison. I love you so much, and I'm gonna eat these like after this video. Then Eileen, I love you. She gave me dark chocolate and I can't find it, but I swear I have it, so thank you. And then she also got me this really cute like box, and it has fluffy socks and a foot lotion thingy. It has a little bow on it, by the way. It's really cute. Something else I'm about to show you is the stuff that I got with my own money. So today's Boxing Day. It's the day after Christmas, and they don't really do a lot of sales, but I went today because I heard Bath & Body Works was having like a huge Boxing Day sale. So I got a bunch of stuff, and I honestly think this is like, I did better than I did on Black Friday. Like, this is so good. So they're having 75% off and 50% off. Let me tell you what I got. So the first stuff that I got, I'm not going to show because this is things, and these are gifts, so I'm not going to show them. But and then I got myself the peach Bellini, and I love peach Bellini. I got the Creamy Luxe hand soap thingy mabobber. I wanted like the foaming one, but they didn't have that one on sale, so I just got this one, and I got 2 of them. Because I love peach Bellini so much. And I'm gonna give one to my mom so she can have it in the kitchen. So good, and I love peach Bellini, and I got these basically 2 for like $6, which is really good because they're originally like $66 and something cents. So if you're obviously watching this probably after, but next time go to Boxing Day sales because they're so freaking good. And then I got the kitchen, like a Sunshine and Lemons gentle foaming hand soap, and this was also on sale. This is originally $6.50 and it was on sale for like $3.25. So good. This smells amazing. I can't even smell it, but it smells so good, like, trust me. Oh, it smells so clean and like refreshing. And then I just have a bunch of spoolies that I got from Nordstrom and like Sephora, and yeah, just a bunch of samples in here. Then the next store that I went to was probably my biggest store, and we stopped by Forever 21, but it's always hit or miss. Like, hit or miss. Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does a kiss, yeah. Okay, so the next store I went to was Lush, and this probably has been my biggest Lush purchase. He gave me the biggest bag possible, but I probably got stuff like up here. But Lush was having a buy one get one free select items. So like there was like a blue sticker on some items that were on buy one get one free deal, and I went crazy. I don't even take baths. I don't know why I got all this stuff, but the first thing that I got is I got a bath bomb, and this one was in the deal of buy one get one 50% off. And this is like I don't know what this is called. I'll put it on the screen, but it's like this green thing, and it's super cool, by the way. It has like dots, pink dots on it, and it's like really cute. Like, I just love it, and it's so nice, and it smells so good, like clean and like calm. Like, I don't really know, but it smells so good. And I got this one. I bought this one so I could get another one for free, which I'm gonna show you guys. The one I got for free, I think, is this one. Yep. So this one I got for free, and it has to be like the same, like the ones that you get for free still has to have the blue sticker on it, so I couldn't really choose a lot, but this one is so good. I wish I got more, but it's like this Christmas like edition like bath bomb thing, and it's like pink, and it has a little like snowflake on it. It's supposed to be for Christmas, but it smells so good. It smells like bubble gum and like cherry. I think it's supposed to be like a cherry snowflake or something, but it smells so good. And I got another bath bomb. I think I bought way too much. I like regret it, but got was this one, and it is this like purple like bath bomb, and it has like little like holes, like it has like little stars and like little holes, and it's so nice. It smells so freaking good. I could literally eat it. Like, I'm gonna lick it right now. Like, it smells so good. So I got that one. I purchased this one. Ew, I ate some of it. I was really just saying how I want to eat it, but like, I got another one for free because there's nothing else I could really choose from, so I just got another one of the same bath bomb. They're just like another purple one. And then I got this like body conditioner thingy, and it was also buy one get one off, but I didn't want to spend like $10 on one, so me and Faith, we split it in half, so we each spent $5 and we both got one. So if that makes any sense. I thought it stopped recording. I got really scared. It smells so freaking good. It's like this like body conditioner or something like that, and it's like pink and it has black. It's supposed to be like a bottle, I think. And this smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like freaking like candy and like snow fair. Like it smells so sweet and like sugary, and it smells so good and it's super soft. And the last thing that I got, I kind of got this last minute. I don't really know why, but I've heard really good things about this. It's the bubblegum lip scrub, and this was not on sale or anything. I just wanted to get it. This is what it looks like, and I'm super excited because my lips are always crusty. So I got me one of these, and these are, and I've heard really good things about this. Kind of smells bad, like it kind of smells bad, but I got it. So that was everything I got. I'm super grateful for everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmas, what I got for Christmas 2018. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and follow my social medias while you're at it. And yeah, I love you guys just as much, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.